If you've been trying to figure out where to market your online course, social media is a really great place to do so. But if you don't do it properly and you find yourself just on there, just posting about your course, well, you might not see the engagement you're looking for. So today I'm going to be sharing with you how you can market and promote your online course on social media. Let's go ahead and dive right in. Hey there, Corporate Misfits. Brittany, Darrington here, and welcome to the Corporate Misfit Club channel, where we help female coaches, course creators, and digital product business owners to build a freedom-bound business sharing their expertise. Now, before we dive into today's topic, I want you to check out my resource library that is going to be able to help you in your course creation phase, to be able to market and be able to know what to do for launching and so much more when it comes to your digital products. You can find that below. And also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed today's video. Now let's talk all about social media and utilizing this to promote and market your online course. Now, before we dive into my main points today, I want to tell you a quick story. When I first created my online course, I was trying to figure out where I was going to show up in terms of marketing and promoting. I knew I wanted to utilize social media because I looked at it as a free resource for me to be able to connect with my audience and be able to get them to get off the platform and get to my sales page. Well, the thing is though, I showed up like a robot. I showed up and I was only sharing about the course. I did not share anything about my experience. I did not touch on any of my pain points. I made it seem like I was just this cookie cutter perfect person. And instead, I focused on my clients having all the issues and not myself. Well, I was once in my client's shoes. And the thing is, instead of me sharing about that, I held back from that because I didn't want it to look like a weakness. And I didn't want people to think that I didn't know what I was talking about or that I didn't know how to get through this experience. So instead, I kept my mouth shut and I focused heavily on just talking about the course. Well, let me tell you where that got me. To absolutely no sales. Though people would click on the links, they weren't necessarily moving forward with actually working with me because my sales page was very similar, very robotic, very almost corporate style, and it did not necessarily have a voice to it. So I had to go back and revamp some things, and I decided I am going to take a different approach. I am going to really connect with my audience in a different way, and that is exactly why I wanted to talk about promoting on social media in case you've been struggling, or maybe you are in that same place that I once was in, where I didn't show up authentically as myself, and instead I was this corporate robot that did not have a personality, and I made it all about my online course. So the first thing I want you to do if you are looking to promote and market on social media is I want you to get a clear understanding of who your target audience is. Who are you looking to serve? It's important that you know this because you want to better understand the pain points that they're currently experiencing. And also, I want you to dig deep and identify, have you experienced any of these pain points overcoming this particular challenge? Or do you know someone who has experienced this? This will help you to be able to craft your story and so much more, and it will also allow you to be able to connect with your audience in a way that is truly authentic versus showing up like a corporate robot. Now, the second thing for you to do to be able to promote and be able to market your online course is to do storytelling. Storytelling is a really great way for you to share how you have overcome some of these obstacles to get to where you are today. Now, you might not have experienced this, but maybe you have worked with someone firsthand, maybe someone in your family or a friend of yours or whatever it may be has experienced this, and you got to see it firsthand, and you want to be able to help them overcome their pain points. So I want to tell you about one of my clients. She is a health and fitness instructor, and she wanted to help others who were struggling with diabetes because she grew up with her parents who both had diabetes and really struggled with it. She knew that she could find a way to not only help herself, but help others who were experiencing that exact thing. So if you have experienced this firsthand, or maybe you have been in a situation to where you have been in that place and that pain point, it's important for you to share your story. It allows people to connect with you and authentically know more about you, and also feel like they can be able to learn learn from what it is that you're sharing versus just hearing someone say, okay, this is how you solve this problem, come and join my course. The third way for you to promote and market on social media is to create engaging and valuable content. So rather than just showing up and posting a picture and putting a quick caption there, it's important for you to create engagement. Ask questions, create a quiz or something, or ask people what their favorite thing is. Show up on stories or create videos that ask questions that really engages your audience. It's important that you get your audience involved because you want them to feel part of this process. We don't want them to feel bad about their situation and the pain points that they're experiencing. We don't want them to feel like there's no way out, but instead we want them to be able to realize that there is a way to get through this. There is transformation on the other side, and we can encourage them to share about their pain points that they're experiencing, to share their stories, to participate in maybe things that we are creating, challenges and all that great stuff, our conversations. It's important that you have this opportunity to connect with your audience like this because it can create engagement and ultimately lead to more sales for your online course. Now, the fourth way that you can promote and market in your business for your online course is to utilize influencers on social media or to do collaborations. So maybe you know someone who likes to talk about something specific to what your online course or your membership or your coaching program is all about. Well, then maybe you can work with them and do some sort of collaboration where you let them check out your course, see if it's a good fit, and they can promote and share that with their audience on social media and encourage people to go sign up. Or they might even be an affiliate and they encourage people to go sign up. This is a really great way for you to utilize other people's audience and get them to your particular email list, your course, and bring them into your community so that you could be able to connect with them as well. Now, the fifth and the last thing that you could do to market and promote your online course through social media is utilizing paid ads. So this is something that a lot of people love to do in terms of getting and building their email list, especially if they are new in the space or if they are looking to scale their business and so much more. This is great if you have the budget for it to be able to market your business and get people to come to your webinar or your course or your lead magnet and bring them to your community. Whether you're utilizing social media such as Facebook or Instagram or YouTube or whatever it may be, it's important for you to identify if you have the budget for it, and if so, make a strategy and a game plan on what you want to focus on so that when people come to your sales page to join your online course or to your lead magnet or some of the other things that you might have such as webinars or challenges, that it all correlates and aligns with what you are focusing on through your promotions. So there you have it, Corporate Misfits. If you are looking to utilize social media, I highly recommend it. It's a great way for you to market and promote your online course, but it's important for you to show up not just like a robot like I once did. It's important for you to show up and truly engage your audience, connect with them, storytell, do collaborations, and so much more. Now, before we leave, make sure you check out that resource where you can be able to learn more about how you can create, launch, and market your digital product business in my resource library below. And also give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time. Hey there, Corporate Misfits. Thank you so much for watching today's episode. Go ahead and hit subscribe so you can be notified of some of our upcoming videos.